Good morning mga kabuchi, welcome to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we will feature our philodendron garden mga kabuchi. So we are experimenting into vertical gardening mga kabuchi. It's because of our lack of space. So this is just a very small area mga kabuchi. But the garden is getting beautiful mga kabuchi, especially in this area. So I think if we will concentrate on vertical gardening mga kabuchi, we can highlight the beauty of our plants. Like this one mga kabuchi, di ba? It's very beautiful to look into. So, ganahan ko mag-selfie din dapita pinaan. Di ba? So, it's almost equal to my height mga kabuchi. And then, we have here the golden banana mga kabuchi. So, the other one is a bit reddish. This one is a bright yellow color mga kabuchi. So I think if this will grow bigger and bigger mga kabuchi, which is I think what is happening right now. Launsa man siya. So if this could go up mga kabuchi, so it's going to be very beautiful also. And then this one mga kabuchi, though this is already not variegated mga kabuchi, this is green gigantum. But still, it's a beauty mga kabuchi to look up to. Diba? So I hope that they will grow big and big. And of course, our beautiful golden ceratum. And I have here the Choco Empress mga kabuchi. So it doesn't like it looks like dying mga kabuchi. And I wonder why this one is dying. So I transferred it here. I think hala. Ang iyang gamot di ay nalata. So I hope that it can survive mga kabuchi its own tragedy mga kabuchi. So di ba? See? Very beautiful gid kayo ang golden ceratum. And then the black ZZ right here. The black and green ZZ. So garden tour na kidat ani mga kabuchi no. So ano siya? So I think this one also is going to be a beauty mga kabuchi. I'm looking forward for it to climb up. Though I damaged this leaf mga kabuchi, it's my fault. That one. But I think it will survive. And my super red here mga kabuchi. Oh. This is the philodendron super red mga kabuchi. So I have a hard time growing this one mga kabuchi, but I think medyo okay na siya here mga kabuchi. And then tara oh. Wow, di ba? So imagine if the philodendron belite will go up mga kabuchi. Di ba? It's going to be a beauty over there mga kabuchi. And then the climbing philodendrons over there. And also right here. We will not get inside na this morning sa mga kabuchi. We'll just stay here. And you'll notice the white chair over there. So if you are lonely and need a friend, you can sit down over there and talk to the cardboard over there. So even though it's chaos mga kabuchi because of the Iran and Israel war, mga kabutsi. But these plants, mga kabutsi, reminds us always that we have the we have choices. We can choose to relax and be with nature, mga kabutsi. Very beautiful. Okay, so naka 5 minutes na ko, mga kabutsi, no? So this should be the end of our video. Enjoy, mga plantita and plantito. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.